What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, and today we are talking about Safemoon and specifically how to go about purchasing it. So Safemoon is pretty involved if you want to make a purchase in this. Real quick, we're going to go over the price. It is 5 zeros and then 647, so it's pretty cheap. I bought a whole bunch of it today. Let's get right into how I went about doing that. So I made a little screen recording on my phone. First thing you got to do is download Trust Wallet, the app, and it's right here. You got to download that sucker. And once that downloads, you got to open up the app. You got to create a new wallet. Okay, so once you activate your wallet, you're going to have to buy BNB coin, and then you're going to have to convert that coin into a smart chain. So we're going to buy BNB coin. I tried to buy $1,000 of this. My bank would only let me purchase 400. Anything more than that for me triggered the fraud monitoring service. So you're just going to enter in all your shit there. Okay, so once you convert your BNB into Smart Chain, we're going to go open up your Safari browser. We're going to type in trust://browser_enable. There we go. Very good. You're going to open in Trust. We're going to come down here to the browser button, and then we're going to click on Pancake Swap. So we have our BNB here. We have to select a currency to convert to. That's going to be Safemoon. There it is. Boom. So we have to set our slippage to 12%. We're going to do that right now. You got to click the I understand, continue. And then we come up here to this little slider bar. See how it's set at 0.8. We got to delete that. Go to 1.2. And then your transaction may be front run. Done. X this little guy out. And then here where it says max, you don't want that there. I think I figured that out in a second. There we go. And then so it's going to bring you to this screen here. Okay. We're going to hit swap, going to load. And then it is going to bring you to this screen here. We're going to copy the contract. Let me go to the contract page from Safemoon's website. So it is this bit of jumbled letters and numbers. I will copy it and paste it into the description below if you're watching this on your phone. It is, you know what, I'm going to do a pinned comment because for whatever reason you can't, it might be hard to copy it from the YouTube description on the mobile app. We're going to give it a try. Just let me know in the comments if it works or not. And then we go, okay, so we're back in our wallet now. And we are going to click on this little slider bar here. Let's go jackass. So we're clicking on this. Come on. All right, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then so we add custom token. We got to go on, make sure we're on Smart Chain. And we have to paste the address in here. Hang on, retard. So we paste the contract address from their website. And then the name is going to be Safemoon. And then we go back to our wallet. Here we go. I'm doing it right. 9 decimals. Save. Done. And here we see it. And now it should be added to the wallet's main page. I think we will leave it at that. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate it if you would please subscribe to the channel. That would really help us out a lot. This took my pea brain about 15 times to figure it out how to do it correctly and get it filmed in a way that would be hopefully helpful to you. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, turn on the notification bells, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.